In this video, we will review some of the best logo design apps that are compatible with iOS devices. So if you're an iPhone or iPad user, this list is for you. Logoscopic Studio. Logoscopic is a free iOS app developed by Roadrocks, also available for Android. The app is for creating logos in a matter of a few minutes. It allows you to create high-quality logos simply and quickly with minimal effort. It doesn't display any ads, offering you a clean UI with no distractions, which makes it perfect for beginners and small business owners. The app is equipped with powerful tools and it has various assets and aesthetic icons. It comes with around 900 customizable templates that you can browse through to choose the right elements for your logo design. You can edit the colors using the RGB sliders, not to mention that you can add external images and photos from your camera folders. You can also add backgrounds and text, having full control over text spacing and height. In addition to multiple fonts, more than 200 of them are available to pick from and integrate to your design. Logoscopic has no drawing support, and that makes it very beginner-friendly. It has several categories to organize the assets. You can choose graphics from iconic, pro, art, lifestyle, fashion, and people categories. If you want more advanced features, you can purchase the premium version for $5 and benefit from additional choices.
If you are interested in learning more about logo design, I recommend you try Skillshare. It is an online learning platform that has hundreds of classes on design topics. For example, you can check this class about Canva logo design, in which you are going to learn how to create a logo using Canva, which is a free software. The instructor will show you step by step how to use different tools, as well as sharing practical knowledge. Also, if you want to become a better logo designer, you can take this class of logo design with grids. You will learn how to sketch your logo on grid paper, in addition to executing your mark in design software such as Adobe Illustrator. And the good thing is, it is gonna be very affordable because you just need to pay less than $10 per month to get access to all these fantastic classes. Please check the link in the description to get a free trial of Skillshare Premium membership.
Sketch. Sketch is a free drawing and design app for iOS-powered devices, and it's one of the best. It's suitable for logo creation, allowing you to design creative logos with a simple and intuitive user interface. Not to mention that it's perfect for beginners, since it's easy to use even without any prior design skills. Either using your fingers or a stylus, you'll be able to draw your visuals from scratch. It gives you complete freedom and control over your design to unleash all your creativity. The app has also a text editor that comes in beautiful fonts, giving you even more rich elements to include in your logo, in addition to many other visual options like colors, backgrounds, strokes, and a wide range of icons as well. Maker. Maker is a free app available on the App Store for logo design purposes, launched by Happy Media. It's such a popular app for iOS-powered devices, iPad and iPhone, and it even extends its multi-purpose nature far beyond logo design. Maker is for non-designers. It simplifies the designing process so you can express your creativity without any techie barriers. It's equipped with advanced tools in addition to a wide variety of beautiful templates to choose from, which are totally customizable to fit your needs. You can change the text, icons, styles, colors, and even the chosen template itself. And to make browsing through them easier, the templates are divided into categories like business, monograms, campus life, sports, and so on. However, if you prefer starting fresh, you can open a blank canvas, since the app allows you to upload and work with your own graphics such as images, shapes, and text. With Maker, you can also share your designs on social media directly, not to mention that you can download your logo as a PNG file for $7 per design. DesignMantic. DesignMantic is a free logo generation app developed by Right Solution. It's very effective and easy to use, which makes it perfect for non-designers and beginners. It's based on the concept of generating multiple combinations of graphic elements that you selected, in addition to your field of activity for more accuracy. After that, you get to choose from these matches the one that better fits your brand. You can also adjust different elements in your design to get the final cut, like colors and fonts. Moreover, Design Mantic comes with thousands of icons, various styles of elements, and templates. Not to mention that the app allows you to save and download your final design in many formats, like JPEG, PNG, or PDF. Logo Maker Shop. Logo Maker Shop is another logo generation app that is super easy to use with its intuitive UI. It offers you more than 1,000 logo templates, 200 fonts, 2,000 symbols and icons. All these stunning graphic assets are divided into categories to make browsing through them easier. It's not meant to corner your creativity because you can open a blank canvas and start your design from scratch. However, the templates are modern and aesthetic, so they will come in very handy, especially if you're a beginner. It will save you a lot of time and effort above meeting your expectations. The app's workflow is based on a layer system that allows you to fully edit the elements separately, from editing opacity, brightness, or saturation, helping you narrow the risk of making mistakes to a minimal rate. Once you reach the final phase of your logo design, you can save it or download it as a JPEG file. The app is basically free to use, but you can benefit from premium features for $10, such as additional items library and the high-resolution PNG download format. Adobe Spark. Adobe Spark is a graphic design tool from the Adobe suite compatible with iOS and Mac OS. It allows you to create an eye-catching logo in a few minutes, whether it be a word mark, letter mark, or pictographic logos. This app is quite easy to get a grip of. It simplifies the logo design process to make it very beginner-friendly. It comes with a wide variety of professional fonts, various layouts, color palettes, lots of images and graphic elements. Not to mention that it allows you to import your own images from different platforms like Dropbox, Google Photos, and so on. Adobe Spark also offers you many effects and filters, in addition to texture and transparency options. You can use Adobe Spark the way it suits you best, either by uploading your own graphic elements into the workspace or by choosing one of the customizable templates. With the various and powerful editing options, your design will result in clean and modern logos, not to mention the saving and sharing options that help you store and synchronize your workflow with your other devices or with the cloud storage. Icona. Icona is a minimalist logo creation app compatible with iOS devices. It comes with a very intuitive UI and offers you thousands of customizable designs to choose from. The app provides you with a powerful set of tools, allowing you to perform all the necessary edits as you please. We can mention, for example, the fill parameters, gradients, strokes with coloring, opacity, alignments, snapping grids, and more. The design process starts with a new canvas and choosing a set of shapes from the library. You can add text to emphasize your brand and edit it to enhance the visual identity. You can even use the drawing tools if you prefer creating your logo from scratch, or if you would like to sketch your ideas as a primary brainstorming phase. Icona is a paid tool though. You'll have to purchase it to benefit from its awesome design options and to download your final logos. Art Studio. Art Studio is a free graphic design app for iOS devices and recently available for Android too. It's a wonderful app for drawing, photo editing, and even sketching. It's quite simple to use with its intuitive UI, enhancing the creative process on the go. Art Studio offers you more than 150 different brushes, in addition to more than 40 filters that produce outstanding and surreal results. The app also comes with other advantages like the drawing tools and the layer system. Affinity. Affinity is a raster and vector graphic design app for iOS and one of the best among the lot, especially since it succeeded at putting the Apple Design Award on its shelf. Affinity got the recognition of many designers and developers around the world. Besides the graphic advantages, it allows you to create 3D models. It's quite accessible with an effective interface, making it easier for the user to quickly get familiar with it. The powerful and various tools will help you create awesome designs with high accuracy. Not to mention that the app comes in multiple languages to make it even more accessible. So that's about it. We have listed some of the best apps for iOS devices to help you discover and choose your next favorite tool. But still, the most effective way to know if a software or an app is suited to your needs is by trying it. You'll definitely find the one that enhances your creative journey.